Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly versatile accessory that many modern smartphone users will find indispensable: the dual USB-C headphones and charger adapter. This sleek black device, measuring just 3.94 by 1.57 by 0.39 inches, is designed to transform a single USB-C port on your phone into two, allowing for simultaneous audio enjoyment and power delivery. One of the standout features of this adapter is its impressive data transfer capability. The female USB-C audio port isn't just for headphones. It doubles as a high-speed USB 3 Gen 2 data transfer port, boasting speeds of up to 10 Gbps. This means users can connect a variety of USB-C peripherals like a mouse, keyboard, flash drive, or even an SSD. For those with an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, this adapter becomes particularly valuable as it supports recording ProRes video directly to external storage, a game changer for mobile content creators. It's important to note, however, that while it excels at data, it will not support video signal transmission or traditional HDDs. When it comes to power, this USB-C splitter doesn't disappoint. It supports up to 60 WPD, power delivery, fast charging, which is fantastic for keeping your device topped up quickly while you're listening to music or transferring files. The built-in EJ899M chip plays a crucial role here, ensuring stable charging voltage and current to protect connected devices. A quick tip for users: while it offers robust charging, it may not support QC, quick charge, for some newer phones, so opting for a PD wall charger is recommended to achieve the fastest charging speeds. Audio enthusiasts will also appreciate the quality this adapter delivers. Equipped with a high-quality smart DAC chip, specifically a Realtek chip, it supports high-res audio up to 24-bit 96 kHz. This ensures a stable and lossless transmission of audio signals, meaning your music and calls will sound crisp and clear, just as they were intended. Compatibility is another strong suit. This adapter is designed to work seamlessly with a wide array of USB-C devices. From the latest iPhone 15 series, including the Pro and Pro Max models, to Samsung Galaxy phones like the S24, S23, S22, and Note series, as well as Google Pixel devices from the 8 down to the 2, and even iPad Pro 2018 and MacBooks, its broad compatibility makes it a truly universal solution for many. In essence, this dual USB-C adapter is more than just a simple splitter. It's a multifunctional hub that addresses several common pain points for modern USB-C device owners. Its ability to combine high-speed data transfer, rapid charging, and high-fidelity audio into one compact unit makes it an incredibly practical and efficient tool for anyone looking to maximize the utility of their USB-C port.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.